Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the zipper closely to know what you're fixing. Is it stuck, the slider loose, or teeth misaligned? Once you know the fault, move immediately to tools: needle nose pliers, thread, a sewing needle, and a lubricant like bar soap or graphite. Make sure the bed cover lies flat so seams are visible, and gently try zipping and unzipping to locate the exact jam point. This focused assessment saves time and prevents further damage. Once you've exposed the jam, apply a small amount of lubricant to the teeth and move the slider slowly. Short, even pulls help it seat without tearing fabric. If teeth are bent, use needle nose pliers to nudge each tooth back into alignment. Work outward from the jam point so you don't create new gaps. When the slider is loose, carefully crimp the back and front with pliers to restore grip. Test after each small adjustment to avoid over-squeezing. To finish, secure the zipper stop by stitching a few tight passes of thread or adding a replacement stop so the slider won't run off. Make sure to knot inside the seam for a clean finish. Once done, run the zipper through 5-10 full cycles to confirm smooth operation and inspect stitching for strain. If teeth are missing or the slider is cracked, replace the zipper or consult a tailor. This is the best fix when small repairs won't hold. Troubleshooting tip: if it still jams, check for hidden fabric caught in the tape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.